because of this compost I have going on, and it's pretty neat. I put in some more browns yesterday from underneath the fig trees over there, so a whole bunch of fig leaves, dead leaf fig leaves. But this is what I wanted to show you. Let me see if I can, maybe hopefully we can see in there okay. I have to turn this today, so I'm gonna go down in here and look and see where the worms are. How did I do? Oh, I got lots of it in here. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let me get down into where my compost is now. I have to turn this around, and there are millions of worms in here. Literally millions. And I'll turn this around a little bit today. That's just a scoop of what's underneath these leaves. Kind of crazy, huh? Imagine that this compost, I take it every now and then and spread it out on my garden, and then I get lots of just really stuff, and it's really happy in on the soil out there. So I thought you might think that was kind of fun. I do have to turn this around today, and they'll be even more happy. Our worms are doing today. If I happen to manage to see the claw. Yeah, here's the claw. Look at the claw. Let's go and see how worms are doing. That's where I said I put the potato leaves, so browns and green and browns and green and browns and green. Right now they've got green. Let's go back in here. I'll put this over here in a sec. See how our worms are doing. Are we doing good back here? Oh my. Let's see. How are we? How are we doing with worms? Well, it kind of looks like that is quite alive in there. Maybe I put some light on that subject. Pretty neat.